Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Hobby Lobby clearance haul that I would like to share with you, and I hope that you will join me. I went to my Hobby Lobby store when I heard that all the clearance items are going up in the arts and crafts section. So I grabbed some stuff from there. I picked up these graphite sheets in white, and I paid 99 cents for these. I picked up 6 of these because you never know when you need some white graphite paper. And then I also picked up this one. This is the transfer paper, and I paid $2.49 for this one. So this is quite a large amount of transfer paper, but you know, it's always good to have backup. It's 24 inches wide by 24 feet long. See what I mean? That's a lot of black transfer paper. So I'm quite happy with this. But look at this. This is what I was reading. It's a convenient roll, no waste, no bleed, smudge proof, and it's erasable. Isn't that something? I took advantage of the paint pens and a Sharpie. Sharpie, I only picked up one. I picked up the brown ultra fine, and it was 42 cents. I mean, they had a lot of colors and size, but I only needed the brown. And then I picked up the paint pens. Let me see, make sure I have them all. So I have the white. This is the extra fine. And then this one, just, oh wait, hold on. I picked up 2 extra fines. I thought I had grabbed 1 fine and 1 extra fine. That's okay, I can use this. I mean, I have some already, but white and black always comes in handy. That's what, like a staple item. So I picked up the fine point and the extra fine point in black. And then I picked up the yellow in fine point, the lime green in fine point, red, so that's fine point too, and then the pink, the green, the orange, trying to make sure I got the gray, or no, it's not gray, it's silver. Oh. And then this one, this is like aqua or turquoise. It says aqua turquoise. And I have another silver one, so I guess I picked up the silver in a fine point and extra fine. And then let me see. You know, they put the tape right over the writing. So, and fine point is magenta. I have a fine point in the blue and extra fine point. So I'm quite happy to add these new colors to my supply, you know, for my enjoyment. Okay, and then I also picked up some pencils. I picked up 4 of these drawing pencils, and they are HB pencils, and they were 49 cents each for 2 pencils. So I'm quite happy I found these, and then these I will tuck away and use them as stocking stuffers. So I love that. I can buy those for a very low price. I went back to my store on Friday. I went late on Friday, like right before closing, and they were marking down the his and her section. So I was able to get the gel pens 4 counts in the gold and in the black, and they were 74 cents each. I also picked up some ribbons. I picked up this one. does it have a color? No. It's the like a taupe color. Look at that. And then here's the number if you need it, in case they still have it. So this ribbon is 3/8 of an inch by 10 yards, and I picked up two because Hobby Lobby is not going to carry it anymore. And then I picked up this one. This is a sheer ribbon with like a lace edge, and it is a wired ribbon. So it was $1.99, and look at that. I like that. I needed some ivory ribbon, and I wanted the sheer one. Now they had some tulle in this color, but I needed the sheer ribbon. It makes a difference when you're working with well, it just makes a difference, let me put it that way. And then I bought another one of these. I had hauled this before at 40% off, and they only had one left in the white, so I went ahead and picked up another one. And I like this one. You can trim this in half, take the wire out, and you can use this in your journal as an edger. So it is really cute. Or you can just trim the lacing off and use the sheer part in another project. I mean, multiple reasons to use and have this in my supply box. And you get 5 yards of this at 2.5 inch wide. And then I also picked up this one, and I picked it up because it was on sale. And I have one already too, but I'm like, it doesn't hurt to have more. I bought some a while back. But look at that. And these will make like a cute addition to any project, right? And then if you don't want the row of pearl beads on there, you can just pull that off. And then this is 1.5 inch wide by 5 yards, and it was $1.49. Quite happy to add this as a backup to my, the one I already have. I also picked up this one. This is 1/2 inch by 10 yards. This is a wired ribbon. Oh, you know what? Let me see this one. This is also wired, but you can always take that wire out if you don't need it. And then this is a sheer ribbon. I mainly went to the store to get sheer ribbon last week, and yeah, I walked down the his and her aisle, and the lady was there marking stuff down. I'm like, oh, I need to grab those now. She had only done the ribbon and the little, the little tiny flowers side on Friday when I stopped by. So look at this. I like that. Now I was thinking to tuck this away for Halloween. Yeah, so I'll have this one on hand for Halloween. And I paid $1.49 on this one again. And yeah, I like that. I also picked this one up. This is 6 inch wide by 25 yards, and I paid $2.24. Now this is a sheer ribbon, and this is what I want for my project. See there? It's got a sheen to it, right? I like it. Now I was hoping that I could find it, in this color too, this ivory color, but they didn't have it. I didn't see it anyway, so I don't know if they actually carried it before. If you need like a certain color for your project, you can just dye the white to any color you like. So that'll work. But I would prefer to still have, the ivory one on hand. I'm just like that. And then the last items I picked up from the his and hers section is this. This is a craft wire with rhinestones, and it is 6 feet long, and it was 99 cents. I picked up the 3. Look at this. So I was thinking, like, I can add this to, like, when I'm doing a floral project, you know, you can just like loop it through your project like this, or you can just cut the wires off and just use the rhinestone for other things. I mean, there's a lot you can do with this little piece of wire. I've never bought it before, just simply because it was kind of pricey for such a small amount of rhinestones on a wire. It would have been cheaper just to buy the rhinestones separately and then put it on your own wire. You know what I mean? But since it's on sale, I went ahead and picked them up. And that was everything from the his and her section. This week, I went back to Hobby Lobby because I knew they were still marking down the his and her section, and I wanted to see what else that they had available. I didn't really see anything that I wanted to pick up, but that might change in the next day or so. I will probably go back again and take a look one more time. But I went down the floral aisle and then picked up some ribbon from the floral section because they are on sale this week. I picked up this ivory sheer ribbon, and I want to use this in one of my projects, so I picked it up. And it is 1.5 inch wide by 30 feet of sheer ribbon in ivory. Cute, right? So it matches in color pretty much with the one I found in the his and her section, so it works out well. And yes, this was regular price at $5.99, and I paid $3.59. I also picked it up in the gray one. So the gray one was $4.99. Yeah, it's probably left over from before the markup price. So I paid $2.99 for this one, and you also get 30 feet of this one. Or it could just be that ivory tends to be at a higher price. I don't know. And then from the sewing section, I picked up this, the black sheer ribbon. The ribbons in the sewing section is on sale too. And this one was, what, $3.99 regular price. And I paid $2.39. And you get 10 yards. And then I went over to the scrapbooking aisle, you know, and picked up some washi. I needed a gray washi, and I decided to go with the thin strip. Now they had a larger one too. I might go back and get the larger one, but I wanted to see if this one will work. And I like it that you get additional colors. Look at that. And all the neutral colors. Nice. So this is 6 millimeters wide, right? And what? Okay, it's 0.24 inch wide by 4 yards. So this one is also on sale, the Paper Studios. So this was $2.99, and I paid $1.79 for that one. And then I picked up this cream colored cardstock, and it regular price was $7.99, and I paid $4.79. And this is another one of those items I have no idea why I don't have in my supply box. It just baffles me. And then from the scrapbooking aisle or the photo albums, I picked up this, their refill pages for the little binders, the little 3-ring binders. And I picked up 2 of these. And then these regular price is $4.49. You know what? For some reason, I thought it was different price because look, they put a sticker right over it. It's $4.99. Oh, they lowered the price. So, I wonder if this is another item they're gonna stop carrying this. Why they changed the price? You know, usually prices go up, not down. Let's see, these were $4.49. I paid $2.69 each. And then since I was picking the inserts up, I went ahead and picked up another one of the binders. This is my Hobby Lobby haul for the week. I hope that you are able to pick up some of the clearance items that Hobby Lobby has going on so far. I am looking forward to see what else they're going to be marking down. I am still waiting on all the Sizzix and the die cut to go on sale. They are still at the initial markdowns, and I'm hoping they'll go, make the prices just a little bit lower and make it worthwhile to purchase from Hobby Lobby, because at the moment it is cheaper to buy them online and wait the extra weeks to pick them up, because it'll be much cheaper than what they're charging. So I am hopeful that that is coming very soon. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.